Dive into the world of modern pool designs with our widely loved Venetian fiberglass pool. Since its inception, it has been a favorite, and it's easy to see why. With its freeform design and convenient ledge seating, it's a true masterpiece. The Venetian stands out in a league of its own. As part of our modern pool design family, it embodies cutting-edge designs that give your backyard a unique and timeless look. For those with a flair for modern decor, the Venetian is your match made in heaven. Pair it with elegant travertine pavers and watch it shine. And speaking of shine, our Blue Lagoon gel coat finish is a crowd favorite. Its striking blue hue contrasts beautifully with light-colored pool decks, making your design truly pop. But it's not just about looks. Our engineers have poured their heart and soul into crafting a design that's both functional and fun. Elegant, curved entry steps, a beautiful freeform layout, and plenty of space to swim and relax. With a conservative size of 9,500 gallons and an overall length of 27 feet 2 inches, the Venetian offers ample swimming space without taking up your entire backyard. Contact us to get in touch with one of our dealers. We'd love to give you a free estimate today. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.